Hello, and welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today we'll be looking at a teeny tiny robot vacuum called the Light and Easy, one of the smallest robot vacuums with self-emptying. As the name implies, Light and Easy literally is a light and easy robot vacuum. It's small, it's sleek. Also, since there's no Wi-Fi on board, you don't need to worry about an application. Literally, just grab the remote control, press the clean button, and off you go. So as we move into the features, we got robots that literally know everything about you. They have cameras, they have laser systems, and they can map out your floor plan. But the Light and Easy takes a different approach. Alright, so I tested a lot of robot vacuums on this channel, and most of them tend to be more expensive and they require an app to run, they require an active Wi-Fi connection, and sometimes this may not be ideal for the user, especially if you're in a condo, a smaller one-bedroom apartment. You might just need a smaller robot vacuum that just gets the job done. Now, what's unique about the Light and Easy is its cheaper price point, around $150. Also offers several different cleaning modes. You got spot cleaning, edge cleaning, you got program mode, and also this random pattern. Now, once you're done, all you have to do is press the home button and it goes back and empties itself. Now, with the Light and Easy, the smaller body diameter also allows it to get into tighter places. So, for example, I can steer the robot to my fridge and clean behind there. It's been several months since I cleaned the fridge, so it'd be a good idea to kind of vacuum back behind there. Now, one thing to note is this robot vacuum only has a suction-only port, so it's really designed for the smooth flooring like hardwood floors, tiling, and maybe low-profile carpeting. But with that being said, it did a pretty good job picking up most light, dirt, and debris. So the self-emptying system itself is pretty cool, has a canister, and it's pretty easy to remove. So if you have some dust and debris you want to empty out, all you have to do is just press the yellow button up top, and then just take it to your trash can. Now, take a look inside there. You can see how the system works, and there's your charging contacts below. Okay, so they want to keep this robot vacuum fairly simple, so the main controls is with that handheld remote, but you also have the control on top of the robot. And during my testing, I felt like this robot vacuum did a pretty good job with my low profile carpeting and sometimes with the medium profile carpeting. It's not the most powerful, but I really think it's designed for the smaller areas and if you have light dust and debris. Alright, let's go ahead and wrap up this video. I'll give you my final thoughts. So, as I've been testing this guy, I think it's really designed for someone who's on a budget, maybe who lives in a small one-bedroom apartment, maybe a small condo, studio. This would be great. Now, keep in mind if you have carpeting, like medium to high profile carpeting, this robot vacuum will kind of struggle since it does not have a spinning extractor bar. But for smooth flooring, this robot vacuum did fine. Also, I like the fact that the price is pretty good, around $150, and includes a self-emptying system. So, if you're in the market for a simple, easy-to-roll vacuum with smooth flooring, in a condo, one-bedroom apartment, I think the Light and Easy should do fine. So, thank you so much for watching my videos. If you have any questions, feel free to shoot a comment down below, or you can reach me at nate2003@comcast.net. That's my business email. So, have a great rest of your day, be safe out there, and I'll catch you guys next time, and stick around. I got a lot of cool products coming down the pipeline, and there's some crazy robots coming for Christmas time, so stay tuned for those. I think you'll be pretty surprised what people come up with, or the companies. Alright, see you later. I'm gonna take off, do something else, but I'll be back shortly. Alright, adios.